think this is the first travel together after a long time. We've not traveled together as a family, except for vacation once. Yeah. I'm carrying enough equipments to record at least one podcast every day. No? Why don't you love traveling?
Because it's all about vlogs. It's never about us. What's the point of this?
Vlogs is necessary. Vlogs is what helps us remember where we went, what we did.
It should help us to remember, not the whole world.
Okay, guys, it's not for you to remember, it's for us to remember that we're sharing this.
अपने सामने वाली सीट को ध्यानपूर्वक जांच लें। आप अपने सामान की पहचान कर लें ताकि वह अन्य यात्रियों के सामान से न बदल जाए। इंडिगो की उड़ान संख्या 4078 के टर्मिनल की ओर से आप सभी को इंडिगो से यात्रा करने के लिए धन्यवाद।
Finally, I am at home. This has been my hangout, my personal place. I think all those who have been in Ambernath or been around here have, this used to be my office. This used to be my prayer place. This used to be where I would counsel people. Everything used to happen in this tiny space, and so good to be back here. Brings so many old and good memories. Good to be back here with these kids. I think Izzy's here for the first time. Something that I miss about home is the good food here. My mom, she's the best chef I've ever known in my whole life. Not that my wife doesn't cook well, but there's a very unique flavor to the food my mom makes. I'll try and fast for the wedding that I'm going for in the evening. I can't resist home food, but I think I'll just skip the food at the wedding. That's the way